Hi, my name is Sandy. I'm a licensed esthetician. I'm here at Clearview Cancer Institute to offer skincare advice and beauty tips to help you with your changing skin while you're going through treatment. Let's get started. Today we're going to do a 15-minute full face makeup demonstration. Okay, we're going to start with a clean face, and I'm going to let my model here apply the moisturizer. We're going to apply a light layer of foundation just to even out the skin tone. I'm using a lighter color foundation over the darker areas, and then we will blend everything in to even out the skin tone. Okay, now we're going to set the foundation. The reason to set your foundation with a powder is it'll keep the foundation lasting longer, and it also cuts down on any shininess in the skin. Now we're going to add a pop of color to the cheeks with some blush. When applying blush, you always want to stay behind the nasolabial fold. So we're going to have our model smile, and we're going to apply it to the apple of her cheeks. Now we're going to apply some eyeshadow to accentuate the model's eyes. We're going to use a little bit of shimmer to really brighten up the skin. Okay, so I'm going to start right near the inner corner and work my way right with the crease. Now we're just going to blend that. Okay, we're also going to use that same shadow to line her lower and the upper lid. And it's a lot more forgiving than using a pencil liner or a liquid liner. You may find that your lashes become a bit sparse while you're going through treatment. So a little technique I like to use is to apply them in a fan method. I like to start right in the middle with the tip so I can get closer to the lash line. Bring those middle lashes straight up, and then as we go to the side, we're going to fan the corners out. As your brows come back in, you might find that some areas are a little sparse, so we're going to go ahead and fill those in. We're going to start right on the corner here, and we're going to apply small little strokes, almost like little tick marks. We don't want to do a straight line. We want to simulate hair, so we're doing little tick marks. We come up a little bit higher right above the pupil, and we're going to gently taper those down on the outer corner. Okay, now the icing on the cake is a beautiful red lip. This is a quick 15-minute daytime summer look to get you out the door.